Today's I am, where is it? Today's I am is, I'm grateful for what I have. Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Makeup Without Limitations. Today's eye look is a colorful look with the COLLAB group Beauty Over 40. I'm going to create something colorful with mattes and shimmers today. All the ladies that are taking part in today's video, their information is in my description box. Please go check them out. Let us see what colorful look that they create. You and I both will see it for the first time. So please check my description box for their links and go visit them. Today's I am is, and it did come from the comments, and it says, I am grateful for what I have. I am grateful for what I have. In this day and age, we have to be so thankful and grateful for what we have. Things are tough out there. Do not suffer in silence. And please remember to always be thankful and grateful for what we have, for we are blessed. We are blessed. Don't ever forget to give thanks. Always be grateful. Gratitude is a special thank you towards the universe. It is always a special thank you to God. Be grateful. I have glitter glue on the back of my hand. I'm going to put it on both eyelids because I want to add some shimmer. And I'm going into an old school palette for my shimmers. It is an all shimmer palette. And I have not played with it in a while, so let us play. Just enough of what I need. Old school palette, BH Cosmetics, Aurora Lights. Love this palette, but I haven't played with it in a while. These are all the shimmers in there. It's all shimmer, and they all reflect something different. You might think green, and then when you swatch it, it's different. So for this look, I'm going to swatch a couple of them, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. I swatched some of these shades, and this one right there looks bluish greenish, and it's white in the pan. So that's why I tell you, all the different shades, when you swatch them, they're different. I already have what I need on my lids to do it. I'll put as many colors as I can on there. Yes, I am filming because this is a colorful look for the Beauty Over 40 color. I'm making sure the ones I swatch, but it's not the ones I swatch, I have not touched it yet. See, now already almost make a mess. I need another one. I'm trying to get as many colors as I can on there. That's what I'm doing. I am doing colors. Please remember to go check out the ladies. Please. You'll see their clips in my video. just so I have an idea of what they are doing. Look like I need something else, don't I? Yes, I do, I do, I do. Look like I need something else. So I'll go into this blue that's there. I'll put it right here in between these two colors. And then there's a deep purple I'll put right here in between these. Let's see if it does show up and make a difference. I'm trying to make a difference with the colors. This is the white. The white in the pan, that's giving me this shade right here. I'm just blending with my finger. This is what I'm looking like. Colorful, half, almost there. Beauty over 40 collab, colorful eye makeup look for this time. This is what my look is. Please remember to go check out all the other ladies and see what they created. Tell me in the comments what you think about this colorful look. I swatched these shades and I use mostly all of them except one. This is the only one I didn't use. Everything else I use on my eyes. So I use two palettes, one eye look. Colorful, be creative, have fun, and just enjoy your makeup. Today's I am, again, came from the comments and it said, I am grateful for what I have. I am grateful for what I have. Please remember to give thanks, even if it's just for waking up in the morning. It might not seem like it's a big thing, but it's huge because we are among the living. And say a prayer for the dead. I am grateful for what I have. Thank you all for watching. Please remember to hype, share, subscribe if you love my smile. Please consider watching some more videos. I appreciate you kindly. Always know that you're welcome here in this channel, and never, ever, 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 ever dim your light for anyone else. Shine as bright as the star that God created in this universe. See you shortly. Bye.